How to fold the Dobok, your Taekwondo practice suit. The Dobok should be kept clean and neat, and to help it stay tidy and uncreased, there is an official approved method of folding it for transport to and from training. Prior to folding, the Dobok should have been washed and ironed carefully to remove any creases. The Dobok consists of a jacket, trousers, and a belt. It is derived from traditional clothing called hanbok. The Dobok is not only for wear during Taekwondo training, it is the required uniform for competition and tournaments. All styles of Taekwondo wear similar long pants. For all styles Taekwondo, the basic Taekwondo uniform is white, but there are many variations. You can fold the trousers into thirds lengthways. ITF style uniforms will sometimes have an ITF lettering down the leg. Lay the jacket out on a flat surface, ensuring there are no creases. Place the trousers on the center of the top of the jacket. Fold one edge of the jacket inward to cover the trousers. Fold the sleeve back across itself. Fold the other side of the jacket and sleeve likewise. Then fold the jacket in half, and then fold the jacket in half again. This is the ITF 3 that is embroidered on the back of the ITF Taekwondo Dobok jacket. You can tie your belt around the folded jacket to make it into a nice little package, or you can just put it on top of it, whichever is better for you to carry.